Hello everybody. My name is Michal Erlich. I'm Associate Professor and Associate Director at the Jindal India Institute, and I will be teaching you both parts of this course, Gateway to Writing and Research 1, Mastering Academic Writing Basics, and Gateway to Writing and Research 2, Bridging Disciplines, Theories and Methods in India Studies. This course was created with one clear purpose: to help you develop creative academic thinking and to make you feel more confident and at home in the world of academic learning and research. Academic work can often feel like a closed system, full of rules, formal language, and a sense that you are supposed to already know how to do things. But here, we open the door. Not through fear or pressure, but through curiosity, practice, and personal discovery. This is not a lecture course, it's a workshop, and it's all about exploration. We will write together, read critically, think with text, ask questions, and try out different approaches to research and to writing. There will be small group discussion, creative exercises, and space to find your own unique way into academic life. Throughout the course, we will work with what I call the 6 foundational pillars of research. 1. Reading, obtaining broad knowledge and becoming familiar with what's already been written. 2. Active reading, or we can also call it thinking with text, reading as a dialogue with other voices and also critically. Then we have finding passion, discovering your personal connection to a specific topic and letting that guide you. Then 4th, we have methodology, big word, but we can just call it figuring out how you can know what you want to know. And then we will look at questioning, learning to ask bold, open-ended questions that invite discovery. And 6th, important, right? Writing. So writing is about expressing your knowledge clearly and also creatively. It is important to understand that those are not, like a linear steps from 1 to 6. They are interwoven aspects of any meaningful academic journey. Even if it is as small as your intern paper, an MA dissertation, or an ambitious peer-reviewed journal project for a paper. In the course, we will begin to understand together how to bring different disciplines, theories, and methods, especially in the context, of course, of Indian studies. So I invite you to come with openness, with curiosity, and with willingness to experiment, to write, to think, to ask, and most of all, to discover your own academic voice. I am really looking forward to working with you, and I hope to see you all very soon. Thank you.